Question number 5. Which equation most accurately represents the graph below? Okay, so I'm going to use y equals mx plus b. The slope-intercept form. M is the slope, b is the y-intercept. And we know already what the y-intercept is. It's 3. Right here, because that's where the line crosses the y-axis. So I can plug in the 3 for b already. But I don't know the slope, do I? No, I don't. Not yet. And the slope is m. How can we determine it? Well, we could use the slope formula, but instead, here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to visually find the rise over the run. Because the slope is just rise over run. So, what is the run? The run is the change in the x value over here. So we're going from -6, that's the x value over here, all the way over to 0 for x. So we're moving to the right by 6 units, and that is the run. The run is 6. What about the rise? Well, now essentially we're looking at the same thing, but for y. But now look at this. We're going down here from 6 down to 3. So the rise is negative. So it's -3. And why is it negative? Because the line is going down, right? From left to right. This one, as an example, is a positive rise. But we'll deal with that later. So we have -3 because we're going down by 3 units over 6, which is the run. So -3 over 6 simplifies to -1/2, which is equivalent to -0.5. So I can plug that in here. So y equals -0.5x plus 3. So the answer is A. Okay, now question 6. Let's do the same thing. We have y equals mx plus b. B is the y-intercept. M is the slope. The y-intercept is just -1 because that's where the line crosses the y-axis. So I can plug in the -1 for b, and that's just going to make it, just going to take a couple steps here, and we're going to have y equals mx plus -1 is just -1. But what is the slope, the m? Well, let's just find the rise over the run. What is the rise in this case? Well, we're going from -1 up to 5. So the rise is 6. Because 5 minus -1 is equivalent to 5 plus 1, which is just 6. Now what about the run? We're moving from 0 for x all the way up to 4 for x. So it's moving to the right by 4, so that is the run. 6 was the rise. So rise over run, which is the slope, is 6 over 4, which is equivalent to 1.5. So we have y equals 1.5x minus 1. So the answer is C. That's it.